All right, it's day 3 of my Elite Cleanse. Today I weighed in at 154.5. So I have lost a total of 3 pounds. It's day 3, so that means I've lost it in 2 days. So I'm gonna keep going. I feel great. I feel amazing. I had the same thing as I had yesterday, the blue-green algae, 2 teaspoons, the liquid chlorophyll ES, 2 teaspoons. I had 2 tablespoons of ionic minerals. I also had 79 ounces of water. I had 2 green smoothies today and Camu Camu. And I'm telling you, this is what's doing it. It's the blue-green algae. Now you can't get blue-green algae anywhere and expect it to work. There's a particular brand that I'm getting that is great quality, all right? So that's the key. That's what's taking my cravings away. That's what's keeping me on this plan. So I just want to let you know it's going great. I'll let you know what happened tomorrow on day 4, but to day 3 it's been awesome. So I'll see you later. 154.5 is what I've got for today.
Like, comment, subscribe, and donate.